Are you having trouble installing Windows updates? Don't fret, as in this video, we will show you how to fix it by clearing the cache. So firstly, using the command prompt, open it with admin rights, then stop all Windows services by typing in the following, then press enter. After that, clear the Windows Update cache by typing in the following, then press enter. Now that the update cache is clear, you can restart the services you stopped earlier. Do it by typing in the following commands again, then press enter. Another method is to use your Windows services. Just open Services on your Windows, find and double-click Windows Update, and then choose Stop. Once done, find and double-click on the Background Task Infrastructure Service, and select Stop as well. Then, open the Windows folder from the File Explorer, go to this location, delete the Software Distribution folder, and then start the Windows Update services. Lastly, open Windows Settings, select System, choose Storage, click Temporary Files, select Windows Update Cleanup, then click Remove Files, and confirm the action to clear the Windows Update cache and free space from other selected temporary files. So those are the different ways on how to fix Windows Update problems by clearing the cache in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.